Hey guys, what's up there? There's another video on the hackthesite.org and the realistic mission 4. So 5 realistic mission 4 has been completed already, and entering into our realistic mission number 5. Damn telemarketers. And the telemarketers are invading people's privacy and peace and quit. Get the password for the administrative section of the site to delete their database and return the privacy of their victims. And the difficult rating is moderate. You're going to take this challenge. I think you can take this challenge right there. And here's the website, and the message is from Spifomatic from hackthesite.org. He's also bit of hacker. Recently, he could come into a problem that he can resolve, getting calls daily from the telemarketing place. Went to the website and hacked it once, deleting all the phone numbers so that they wouldn't call me anymore. That was a temporary fix, but they put their database back up, this time with an encrypted password. This time the company has been encrypted password of the database backup. When I hacked them, I noticed everything they used was 10 years out of date, and the new password seems to be a message diced. I have done some research, and I think it could be something like a so-called hash value. I think you could somehow reverse engineer it or brute force it. I also think it would be a good idea to look around the server for anything that may help you. And they gave hint as reverse engineer or brute force it to crack the password and enter into the website. The website is so called as Compico Global Hyper Meganet, and is the home and the news section. In the news section, there is a database is now available only again for administrative only. Contact the database. Here's the password section. You can use a password, but it doesn't catch into it. And click on the view page source. There is no lot of code here, a simple 17 lines code, but in the password section, form action secret slash admin.php. Copy this, it would help us go to that directory. Click enter. Oh, there's invalid password. Now I'm gonna clear that admin.php and enter into. Oh, there are two directories there. First, the password directory backup file. Oh, we are matching hash. So this is hash for the password. Copy this. After copying this hash, you may open the Kane and Able software, and don't worry, I'll put the link in the description. How and download it and install. Before installing, you must turn off your Windows Defender security to install, but also it may get a lot. And in this section, we are gonna into Krakow MD4 hashes, add a hash, paste the hash, okay, and click on brute force attack. Start. It may take 2 minutes or 3 minutes to crack the passwords. You should do one thing is called wait, and the password is cracked. The plain text of this hash is DLFC2. Copy this from here, go to the database. I think that's not right directly. Click on database, enter the password, click on submit. But I have completed this already, so it shows you have completed already this mission. And in this video you have learned a lot of a trick how to ha- how to crack a hashed password and decrypt it and get the password from the can enable, and I'll put the software link in the description to download it. And I'm very sorry I'm not able to. If you like this video, click on the like button, share, subscribe, and first comments to on your opinion. I'll put the if you ask any judge in the comment section, I'll reply. Thanks for seeing this video, and see you later. Bye.